If you already own an SUV that's getting hit in 2026, this video could save you thousands. And no, I'm not here to say your vehicle is junk. I'm here to tell you the market is shifting fast and trade values can drop way faster than most owners realize. So I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step plan to protect your next move before you get trapped upside down. Welcome back to Everyman Driver. I'm Dave Erickson. If you want straight talk on car prices, dealer tactics, car reviews, and how to buy smart in 2026, do yourself a favor and do me a favor by hitting subscribe. I've been posting new videos every week since 2012. I really appreciate the support. So here's the problem. Most people think depreciation is slow and predictable, like you lose a little each year, but that's not how it works anymore, especially for certain SUVs. When incentives rise, when lots fill up, and when new models get price cuts, trade values can drop fast. Not a little, fast. And if you're financing, that can turn into the worst situation in car buying. You owe more than the vehicle is worth, and you're stuck. Behind the scenes, I see this all the time. Someone buys at a high payment, then 6 months later, they realize the market changed. Then try to trade it in, and the numbers just don't work. And the comment section is always split. One person says, mine has been perfect. I see that a lot. Another person says, I wish I saw this before I signed. So today we're skipping the arguing and focusing on what actually helps people like you. Trade values usually drop hard when two or more of these show up at the same time. Number one, big incentives, rebates, discounted leases, special rates. The second trigger is too much inventory, lots being packed, slow trims stacking up. Trigger number three, price cuts, especially in EVs, where new prices pull used prices down. Trigger number four, redesign timing, the all-new model coming soon effect. If your SUV is in this category where these are happening, you don't wait and hope, you get proactive. Step number one is simple. Get 3 trade values, not 1, 3, because every dealer values trades differently depending on what they need. One dealer might be overloaded with your exact SUV. Another dealer might need it. So you want one dealer offer from a local store, another dealer offer from a different brand group if possible, and at least one online appraisal or instant offer reference. Then you take those numbers and you compare. That becomes your starting point. Step number two, check your payoff. You need to know exactly what you owe today. If your trade value is lower than your payoff, that gap is negative equity. And here's the trap. Rolling negative equity into the next loan makes the next deal even harder and the next one after that even worse. That's how people end up stuck in 84-month or 96-month loans, paying for old debt inside of a new vehicle, which in the end means you're upside down. The goal is to minimize damage, not to hide it inside another loan. Step number three is timing. Trade values can change based on demand, season, inventory flow. If your local market is slow right now, storms, bad weather, low foot traffic, dealers might be cautious. Then when the market rebounds, they may pay more to restock. Also, some dealers get more aggressive near month end if they're trying to hit their volume targets. So the move is get your 3 values now, then recheck in 7 to 10 days. If your number drops, you know you're in a falling window. If it rises, you may have a better shot. Step number 4, fix cheap issues that cost you big money at appraisal time. Dealers look for reasons to deduct, and they will. The best quick wins are the following: worn tires, cracked windshield, missing second key, warning lights, obvious paint scuffs, and dirty interior. You don't need to make it perfect. You just need to remove the easy excuses. A clean, presentable SUV with no obvious problems gets better numbers. Step number 5, keep the deal clean. When you trade in, there are 3 numbers that matter: the price of the new vehicle, the trade-in, and the financing terms. If you mix them together, you get confused and then you lose leverage. So handle it in this order. First, negotiate the price of the new vehicle. Second, confirm your trade-in. And third, lock down the financing. This prevents the classic trick where your great trade offer is actually hiding a bad price or bad loan terms. Step number 6, and here's my opinion. If a segment is uneasy, unstable, leasing can be the smarter move in that case. Not always, but sometimes. If values are dropping fast, leasing can protect you because the depreciation risk is not fully on you. You're basically renting the market uncertainty instead of owning it. So if you're shopping something that's getting crushed in resale, especially certain EVs and high incentive SUVs, compare the lease and the purchase side by side. A lot of buyers ignore leasing because they think it's throwing money away. But getting trapped upside down is also throwing money away, and it can be worse. Step number 7 is for owners who decide to keep the SUV longer. If you're staying put, your mission is to lower your cost per mile. That means follow maintenance on time, don't ignore small issues that become big issues, and keep the SUV in trade-ready shape even if you're not trading anytime soon, because the best time to fix a problem is before it becomes a reason for a massive deduction later. Quick reminder, if you're shopping a replacement vehicle or even just checking your options, going to quotes.everymandriver.com is a great place to go. It's a free search engine. You can compare real dealer offers in your zip code on new and used cars, trucks, and SUVs, so you can see who's competing and who's inflating prices. It's the fastest way to avoid negotiating blind. You'll also find a direct link below the video. Now, here are the 3 moves I don't want you making. Number 1, panic trading with only one offer. Number 2, rolling negative equity into another long loan just to lower the monthly payment. Don't fall into that trap. And number 3, buying the replacement SUV before you confirm what your current SUV is actually worth. If you do those 3 things, you lose leverage and you lock in regret. So here's a takeaway, my friends. You don't need to panic. You need a plan. Trade-in values can drop quickly in 2026, especially when incentives rise and inventory piles up. But if you get multiple offers, separate the deal, and avoid rolling negative equity, you can protect yourself and make a smart move. And again, if you're shopping for a new vehicle, even used, you can always go to quotes.everymandriver.com to compare real offers on new and used cars in your specific zip code. As always, if this helped, please click subscribe. More videos coming this week on the biggest discounts and the models dealers will cut the biggest deals on. And here's a question for you. What SUV do you own right now? And are you planning to keep it, trade it, or are you stuck? I want to hear your story. Leave it in the comment section below, and I hope to see you next time. Adios.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
You can save $50 right now on the Nuvio Recovery Chiller. It works with any tub, bathtub, cold tub, indoors or out. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start plunging. Use my code below and grab your deal today. Want to save 5% on your very own at-home barrel sauna? I've partnered with Almost Heaven to hook you up. This has been a game changer for my recovery and daily routine. Use my code and link below and start sweating smarter. You can save 5% on the red light panel that I use every week. This platinum LED Biomax works anywhere. Bedroom, gym, recovery room, and is packed with science-backed benefits. Use my code below and start feeling the difference today.